Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again. Yeah, Goodnews has a Chromebook Samsung to apply a laptop skin on it. Alright, so it's going to be a very short video. Alright, this video is going to show you how to cut each of your letters, or will I say carve each of your letters very well when you want to brand a sticker or apply a sticker on a system that has letters. Like this Samsung is going to carve each of those letters out. Okay, after he's done with these edges, as you can see what he's doing. Alright, see how he has cut each of the edges and leave it that way. Then the next thing he has to do to roll line over to make it straight. Okay, to be blending between each of the edge. Alright, after he's done doing that, then the side end which he has to bend, he has to burn it out. Okay, you're gonna see that. Then after he's done, he's going to carve out the letters. Those letters are not easy doing. Okay, even applying this is not easy. Alright, it takes a lot of mastery for you to do it, and I'm very proud of him. He's doing very well. Okay, and he's getting perfect day by day. Alright, so you can see what he's doing. He's almost done with each of those side edges. Then after he's done with that, he's going to go to the letters, as I said. Okay, alright, if this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like and share these videos to your friends, your loved one. Also, you can share our contacts, you can meet us. Alright, if you love what we can do, he can also work for you. Alright, if branding a sticker, laptop sticker or laptop skin requires some tools you need. Okay, you need a sharp object just like your razor. Alright, you need a needle, you need a lighter. Okay, if you have those tools, you can do it. You're just carving out the Chrome logo. Alright, after that, he's going to carve out the Samsung. Alright, this is where you have to be gentle while doing this. If you're not gently while doing it, you may make a mistake, you may cut it off. So, and if you can see how he's doing it, he's doing it very well, and it's even looking like a machine that is working it. He's doing it very perfectly. So a needle can do this very well. Use the needle to draw out the letters, draw out it very well. Then you can also use your razor to cut out each of it, and you have to be careful while cutting, and you do it gently so that you don't cut out it permanently. Alright, assuming you have a Chromebook or a Samsung system that the back is a bit rough, or you wish to round it like this, you can come to me. You can do it very well for you. Alright, you can come to SOLOP Computer World. We give you the best designs and branding you want. Okay, and you can also prepare your PC with us, or if you're looking for a good system or laptop to buy, we are here to serve you better. Alright, so don't fail to follow us, subscribe to our channel, and like our video. Alright, it's almost done with carving out the letters. Okay, after this we are done. Alright, and you must have a good lighter when doing this. Alright, so make sure you burn each of those edges to get, why we do that, with the split heat enough so that it can blend it to the body. Alright, as you can see while he's doing it, you can blend it to the body. So we are done. Look how beautiful it is. That's how we can make your system beautiful. So stay tuned, like and share, follow up. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.